Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. Today's video is number 3 of an 11-part mini-series designed to give beginners like you quick tips that you can implement right now to start working smarter and not harder. The third tip I'm going to share with you is how to quickly wrap your text within a cell. And stick around till the end because there's a bonus tip that you're not going to want to miss. Sometimes you have data that just won't fit in the space you want it to. In those cases, it's ideal to keep all of the text together rather than separating it into different cells. This is what Excel calls word wrapping. To do this with any cell or group of cells, simply select the cell or cells you want. Then, in the Alignment group on your Home tab, you'll see a button that looks like this: A, B, C, and an arrow. Click this button and your text will automatically be wrapped inside the cell you selected. Once you apply the formatting, you can resize the column and the wrapping will update accordingly. Here's the game-changing bonus tip. If you want your text to wrap at certain words, say the beginning of a new sentence for example, while you're typing the text, press Alt-Enter to start a new row within the same cell. Did that just blow your mind? Let me know in the comments. If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter, not harder.